Hi everyone. Today we are here to talk about Nifty Index, market trends and top stocks to focus. But आगे बढ़ने से पहले don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for market insights. Today we have Mr. Chandan Taparia with us who will tell us how market is performing. Welcome sir.
Thank you.
So, starting with what's your take on the market?
So we have seen good recovery in last 4 to 5 weeks and we suggested that market is from bottom. लगभग हम 18,888 के आसपास की बातें कर रहे थे and exactly it made low near to 18,838 and recovered by 1,000 points. So after the 1,000 points, some sort of consolidation move will be there, but it seems that market is all set to head towards 20k and 20,200 zone. So setup is quite positive. Market is absorbing the supply at higher levels. मार्केट के जो बेस ऊपर की तरफ शिफ्ट हो रहे हैं, सारे मूविंग एवरेज के ऊपर मार्केट होल्ड कर रहा है. इंडिया विक्स इज नाउ नियर टू 12, पुट कॉल रेशियो होल्डिंग नियर 1. So all the data internals are indicating a positive view, and we believe that with support of 19,550, this rally can extend to us 20,000 to 20,200 zone.
All right, sir. So Nifty is going to break this level of 20,000.
Yeah.
And what can be your view on it?
So we have positive view. In fact, last 2 times when we recorded, we were talking about 19,800 and almost we are at 19,800. And now we are expecting further rally. So with support of 19,550, one can continue to be with long position for target of 20,000 and 20,200. When I talk about banking index, because without Bank Nifty, it's very tough for Nifty to scale the new highs. So Bank Nifty slightly underperforming, but a small follow-up in Bank Nifty can aid the Nifty to hit the new highs. So we have support near to 43,000 in Bank Nifty and hurdle at 44,000. So 43,000 to 44,000 is the broader range, but 19,550 is the major support for Nifty to drive this rally to us 20,000 and 20,200. So my suggestion is continue with your positions, stay bullish in the market, be with selective sector and stocks, and I believe data internal along with the global market are well positioned to drive the market to new high territory.
So my last question is, which could be the top stocks to watch out for the next week?
So I think we need to believe on the certain sector, but one thing you need to keep in mind that we have a couple of events. We have US market holidays, then we have holiday in our market as well, then assembly election, then entire focus will be on the union elections. So over the next 1 week to 2 months, entire focus will be on the elections and couple of events. So need to bear with that volatility. But I believe counter from CPSE, that means Center Public Sector Enterprises, auto, real estate and selective pharma stocks will do well. So like stock like Oro Pharma, Lupin can do well in the pharma. Stock like Oberoi Realty, DLF from real estate pick. Then counter like your TVS Motor or a stock like Asher Motor or Tata Motors can do well in your auto segment. So I think this sector will do well, but some sort of volatility could be there ahead of the events. So be ready for that. But overall, we bullish. We have the bullish view and expecting index to hit to us 20,000 to 20,200 zone.
Thank you so much, sir, for the great insights. So as we have seen that we are bullish, and so you have to keep the stocks which sir have asked us to look out for. Thank you so much for joining us, and for more such market updates, search Motilal Oswal.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.